It's the last day today and we're heading into Loch, which is on the west side of Loch Lomond, and hopefully we're going to do something a bit different today. Just depends. The weather's not been brilliant, but it's cleared up a little bit and the lake's flat as anything, so that might give you a little clue what we're going to be doing. Are you up for it though?
I don't know. We'll go and have a look and see.
How weird. Is that a sign?
Another one, and then covering there and this. That's the only thing of it. It's not quite big enough to put it in. It doesn't, like, fits in it, but it's, the cover's like baggy on it. Doesn't matter, you know? It's not going to come off, is it?
How you doing? So it's like forward pointing outwards for some reason. I thought it'd be the other way. Here we go. Great to get the hang of this, wouldn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I can't even get the light out.
I'm not. I'm not. There's no way on earth, I promise you. I promise.
I was so close there.
Yeah, no, I'm not going anywhere. It's just you're drifting towards us.
I know. Come on, girl, you've got this. They're not graceful.
So both your feet need to be alongside each other. Are you okay?
Oh my god!
Oh god. Huh? I'm not in the centre enough though. Oh my god, what are we doing?
Oh god, it's going up my nose. It's horrible.
Relax. There we go. Go away. Oh, don't. Please. You can push us in at the end, not the beginning. Yeah, one knee first. Keep both hands down on the ground. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about your oar. Leave your oar in front there. Now put both hands to the side, so that's counterbalancing when you've gotten both feet sorted. Bit more in, bit more. Before you stand, tiny bit more forward, your right foot. That's it, that's perfect. Now just slowly coming up. Slowly. And then when you do stand, try and keep your back straight when you're going to paddle. Excellent. Excellent. Head up, head up. Remember, like the bikes. I mean, I'm wobbling all over. Oh, aye. I think I'm shaking because I know what's going to happen when I fall in. I'm going to shrivel. Let's head away from the hotel view. There you go. First time. Legs are still shaking. And away we go. paddleboarding in Loch Lomond. Check. Hello, darling.
What's going on?
Are you going to try and stand up? Are you going to push me in? Are you going to try and push me in? I want to try and do this, and you're just going to try and push us in. So we'll just push each other in. Oh, I wonder if we can get like a photo with her.
Do you? I want to get one too.
We're all watching. Oh, she's got it. Wow. Perfect.
I'm still feeling. Oh.
Don't. Oh, God. Are you going in? Yeah, I'm ready. I want to get a drone up before it rains. So this is after our paddleboarding. Just got in. We're going to do some flying. The guys more than keen for us to do a little bit of footage for them. But it's starting to rain, so we're going to go for a little walk into the spot. Look at the clouds, man. The mountain we climbed yesterday is up behind that. You can't see it, literally. So we're so lucky with the weather. Beautiful though. Absolutely my favourite loch. You see a lot of them around here, unfortunately. Not her. What?
Alright, Loopy.
Just go and get a cup of tea and a slice of cake. You've earned it with your little swim. Look there, see what I mean? Everyone walks around with carrier bags. So we're in the Coach House coffee shop and it is rammed inside. And they said, well, you can go on the waiting list or sit outside under cover. Result. It's chocker in there, or we can have this whole place to ourselves. Oh yeah. Chicken soup. Boop boop.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board. Dancing in the moonlight, the world just stopped and stares. We got no destination, I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words just come together, story that we never told. So far you're saying for my own. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain. From our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we tried, hold on. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed, words that come together, a story that we never told. So for your sake and for my own, you said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain. From our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain.